What's going on YouTube? So today I have some new headphones here, and I can't wait to unbox them and show y'all. Guys, I have pre-ordered the Master and Dynamic MW9s, and it just arrived, so we're going to unbox it and see what this is all about. Now, I pre-ordered these back in November, and they were delayed a few days, and just seems like it's just been a wait. Now I could have got the black ones or whatever, but I did want this is the Gunsmoke with the carbon fiber case. Now I did want that separate, so I chose to wait. Now I've been so excited for these headphones because these headphones are not the tappy kind. You see everyone going around tapping, but these actually have actual buttons on them. And they got that new 11 millimeter driver on there, and they have the new Bluetooth. They have so many new features, and the manufacturer finally has a custom EQ. So we're going to take a look and see all these different features, and you put all those things together and you have a total premium package, I think. So we're going to take a look, see here. So we do have, I'm going to take this film plastic off here so it's not reflecting everywhere. And we are here to open this thing up, so let's see. I just have a lot of lights in here, so it's pretty reflective. Alright, so in this package it looks like we have some headphones, we have the case, some ear tips, and we have a cable, it looks like. I don't see no charger though. But let's zoom in and see what this says here. So we have adaptive noise canceling, true wireless earphones crafted from premium materials. We have up to 16 hours of battery life, an additional 32 hours in the case. That is amazing. Bluetooth 5.4, that is awesome. We have the 11 millimeter beryllium driver, that is awesome. So now let's open this up here. We have more branding, the M for Master Dynamic there. You'll see that a lot, I assume. Alright, let's get this open here. Now, like I said, I've been very excited. So I've tried out so many of, the Sonys and the B&O and all this stuff. And, they're all kind of equal. The B&O EQs, those are obviously pretty premium sounding, but they're not very loud. None of them are loud. So I'm like, well, we're going to try these and see how they sound and see if they're loud. Alright, so we got our little startup thing. Y'all know I'm going to show you what it says. So right now, it's super easy, but it's showing you to put in down in an angle, and then as you push it in, just turn it. Super simple. And then here, we have the app connect. We have the pairing information. So, just standard stuff. You open your Bluetooth. This one you can hit the multifunction button, but this one has a pulsating light indicator, which is super nice. I love it. And then here we have the app, for Apple and Google Play Store. And then here what we got? Okay, they're just basic stuff. One, play, skip, pause, playback, hold for voice assistant, which is pretty standard stuff. And then for your ambient mode, where it kind of boosts the sound around you, you'll hold the volume plus, volume up. And then for noise canceling, you can just hold the volume down and it'll kick on. And then you can select your presets, battery, high, medium, low. Pretty nice. And then each of these have 3 mics. So we got 1, 2, 3. So we'll have a total of 6 mics. And you press the multi button to answer the call. You got silicone and you got foam tips. So Good to know. That's that. And then this one, it also comes with a whole bunch of languages. We're not going to go through those, of course. But I do want to let y'all know that they are here if you need them. So today we are going to check this out. We got this cable here. Now I do go through each part of this, but just so you know what you expect with your money. These are expensive. Now we do have a Type C. And it does have the master logo on here. See yep, they both have it on each one. Very nice. All right. Now these are the silicone ear tips. We have the silicone. We have some foam in here. Let's see what they look like. I do like this little box here. It's pretty nice. Those are the foamies. That's the silicone. So I'm not a really big fan of the silicone. I'm not sure if you guys use the silicone a whole lot. Don't like them. They kind of stick in your ear, and I don't think it does a very good job of isolating the sound in and out. So here's the foamy ones. As you can see, they're actually a very small foam. Then the silicone. Let me get my pointer here. Now you can see as I press it, you could just tell, look, it changes. This actually holds its shape compared to like the silicone. And you can see though, everyone's probably had these, but as you press it, it just kind of flops around. Probably not the best thing in the world, but I do like these little foam ones. I may end up getting some of the comfy ones on Amazon there. And then here's the headphones. I've been waiting for these for a while, guys. Now I'm more of the old school, so I don't really like the tappity tap thing. I know everyone's doing it. I see everyone tapping and when we're out and this and that, but definitely not happy with it. If you tap too fast or too slow, you gotta start over. Open here. Man, this Kevlar case is so nice looking. Alright, it actually feels really good. It's not slick and it's not too rubbery. It's Kevlar. Feels great. It's not going to slip around. And you can see the workmanship on the Kevlar. The lids matching the body. And then there we go. That is the gun smoke color there. Super nice. Now what I'm going to do is slap these on the charger here. Get the app ready. Let's get this thing paired up. Should be pretty easy. Yep, instantly found them. I didn't even have to press the button to manually do it. 100%, 99%. That's really good. Alright, let's see what features we got. Got the sound profile, preset EQ, custom EQ, the ambient and the ANC. Pretty simple. I like it like that. So let's get these set up here. I can say one thing, these magnets on here are very strong. You just get close to it and it just locks it right in. So you got your three lights. The center one's your charge light. And I guess the left and the right, they're all charge lights, but the center one's probably what represents the case battery. And look at these. This is that aluminum body with that sapphire glass. So premium. And these have the actual buttons on them. No more tappy to tappy, guys. You actually press the buttons, which is old school. That's the way we used to do it, and it always worked better. It was so annoying when they figured out you can just tap on it. And now each button press actually works. You don't have to worry about how many times you're doing it. There's those lights. Look at that. They got little lights on them. So nice. You can tell that these are just high quality. This is what you pay for. You pay for the premium. There's the silicone. There's the buttons. Look at them. You got little mini buttons. So nice. So now you can just simply press up or down. You can hold engage your A and C. You could do all this without tapping and looking all crazy in public, or at the gym, or at work, wherever you're listening to them. You'll just be that guy that just gets it every time. You don't have to worry about it. And we got more sensors here. We got the mics, got the charging, two charging pads there. And you have the antenna. Super premium. You can see the size of it. They are very large. This is that 11 millimeter driver in there, so that is definitely a big driver. I would rather have a larger earpiece and have it louder and sounding better, having more bass, more mids, more highs overall, than having a small one that sounds like crap. There's plenty of them out there. I'm more about the sound itself. Got my gubby little prints all over this already. Man, but that is so nice. You could feel the wrap on there. This thing will probably take a serious beating. Very, very, very impressive. And you can see the two little charging pads on there. Now these things lock in there very strong. They're not coming out. I know. Let me put this other one in here. We'll give it a good whack. See how we're doing here. That magnet just grips them. Just throws them in there. Yeah. And they are not coming out. You don't have to worry about these things. If they're in your car and they fall on the floor, they're not going to pop open. Or if you drop them, even if the lid opens, they're not coming out. You're not going to lose them so easily. Now, I do like the way these are set in here, but we're going to take these silicone ones off. We're going to put the foamies on there just because I don't even want to put them in my ear. I just don't like the silicone. I think I pressed that setup button too long. Let's get these off here. And we'll get the other ones on there. And they just pull off. Just like that. And then you can just kind of slide the other ones on. No big deal. Just kind of squeeze over it. Now if you have sensitive ears, or you don't really like either one of these, you can get on Amazon. And they do have like the more of the comfy ones that are foamy, and they're very comfortable. They don't press on your inner ear so much. So, all right, let me reset these. You can see the lights on them too. It's so nice. I don't know if y'all can see that little light right there. Very nice. If y'all like this content, I'd appreciate it if you can give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. It'll definitely help our channel and help us keeping content out. Now what I'm going to do is, y'all can't hear this music, but I just kind of want to go through and talk about what you're hearing. Now I'm playing all this at max volume, and it is super loud. It's very, very, the bass is super deep on these. I can't believe how much sound quality there is. It's so full and rich, and I think these are probably the best earbuds I've ever listened to. Now I do have the over-the-ear ones that are much better, but even on this right here, No Time for Caution, the acoustics in this is just unbelievable to listen to. And then as I go through, I just, I'm just picking random songs that I have, and I just want to hear, exactly the bass in there. I do love the bass. So I've had to go into the EQ, and I dialed it up and down. The preset bass works pretty good, but by far it's better if you use the custom EQ. And then, some more music. I'm just kind of quickly going through these, and while I kind of go through that, I'm gonna go over a few things with y'all. So this has the 5.4 Bluetooth. That came out this year. It was developed last year, but I think they actually released it this year. And this is going to have the new Bluetooth. You're future proof with it. Let me get in here in just a second. Look at this, guys. This is so nice. It's going to be so hard for me to listen to music. Got the ANC on now. And that bass is just hitting so hard right now. It just sounds so good. The audio formats that this supports is AAC, the LC3, SBC, the aptX 14 or 16, 44, 24, and 96. So this is that Aurora Cast. It does have the six microphone talk solution. It's also it's got its own wind reduction. The ambient has like an awareness mode, a voice mode, and a natural mode. I'll have to check all those different natural modes out. Like I said, the body's made with aluminum. They're sapphire glass. They're sapphire and glass earphones with the Kevlar fiber wrapping. You could get the aluminum case also, which is pretty good. The earphones, they weigh 8.1 grams each, and the case weighs about 50 grams. That's if you're wondering. The earphones are IP54, and the case is IPX4. So the headphones are definitely water and dust resistant. Case maybe not so much. Probably don't want to drop it in the water or anything like that. Your connectivity distance is about 100 feet, and that is pretty good. That's 30 meters or so. So the noise canceling works really, really well. I don't think they work as good as the Bose. I'd actually have to test it, but everyone knows the Bose noise canceling is pretty good. But from what I can tell, the noise canceling portion of this is very good. I mean, more than I'll ever use. But it seems like when you have the stronger noise canceling, it kind of cancels out the sound quality. These things are extremely loud. They're the loudest ones I've ever had, and the bass isn't distorted. You got deep sub rumbles in there. You got your punchy bass. I did go through like several different songs there, and I was very, very impressed. I'm very happy. Now this is the actual headphone again here, the earpiece. Now if you guys notice how big that is, compare that to your thumb. So I guess I have an average thumb, and you can like kind of guess how big they are. But the thing is that's kind of just like the outside that cradles. The inner part's not quite as big. So when you look at the side of it, you can tell that right there. You can tell that it's not quite as big, and the weight's kind of balanced very nicely. Aluminum's very light. So these are the bigger the headphones I've ever put in my ear. But these are super nice. I do recommend that y'all check these things out. If you have any questions about them, definitely reach out to me and I'll try to answer them. I'm going to pair these up with my wife's phone, and then I'm going to pair them up with my iPhone and see how they sound under the Apple ecosystem there. Also, I'll probably sync them up with my Mac and sync them up with the Chromebooks and all that, just to see actually how it works. Now you can add multiple devices to this, so it'll be super nice for my wife to be able to just pick them up and use her phone and not try to grab my stuff. But this has been my review and my unboxing. I hope y'all really do enjoy it. If you can, like I said, give me a like and subscribe. And until next time, we will have more content. I appreciate y'all. See ya.